Sulaiman Abu Ghaith was more than Osama bin Laden's son-in-law. In the days after September 11th, he was Al-Qaeda's top spokesman, threatening Americans that more attacks were coming. But that was then. More than 12 years later, Abu Ghaith is about to go on trial in New York City. He is one of the first people allegedly linked to September 11th to face the U.S. justice system. Abu Ghaith's lawyer says authorities are prosecuting the wrong man.
He's charged with this amorphous conspiracy to murder Americans somewhere, somehow, and material support for an organization as a conspiracy to murder Americans somewhere, somehow.
After spending at least 10 years under apparent house arrest inside Iran, Abu Ghaith was arrested in Jordan in 2013 and jailed in New York. He has been charged with conspiracy to kill U.S. nationals, conspiring to provide material support and resources to terrorists, and providing support to terrorists. The Obama administration's decision to prosecute Abu Ghaith in a civilian court has angered some conservatives. They say he should be tried in a military commission at Guantanamo. But legal analysts say that argument doesn't stand up.
This is not the first case where we had a high-profile Al-Qaeda suspect captured overseas and sent into the Article 3 civilian court system. It's significant because of the normalcy of it, because of how routine it has become.
One of the key prosecution witnesses is the would-be shoe bomber Sajid Badat. He will testify via video link from the UK about the training he received at an Al-Qaeda camp where Abu Ghaith used to speak. But defense lawyers have a star witness of their own, the self-described mastermind of the September 11th attacks, Khalid Sheikh Mohammed. He's expected to vouch for Abu Ghaith's innocence. The trial could reveal how Al-Qaeda functioned both before and after the attacks, as well as provide insights into how core Al-Qaeda is functioning today.
A lot of its top leaders have been killed or arrested, but at the same time, contrary to what we hear from the U.S. government, it is not by any means a decimated institution. Al-Qaeda as a brand is very strong, very powerful. It has a selling power that appeals to a lot of militants around the world.
If Abu Ghaith is convicted, he could spend the rest of his life in a U.S. maximum security prison. Rosiland, Al Jazeera, Washington.